Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see about the analysis of FET with self and voltage divider bias. FET is nothing but it is known as field effect transistor. It is a three-terminal voltage control device. That means here the drain current is controlled by the gate to source voltage. In order to use FET in various applications, it needs to be biased. Biasing is nothing but it provides a fixed value of current that can pass through the FET and provides proper voltage drop. It is nothing but to turn on the device. There are various methods of biasing in FET, that is the gate bias, self bias, voltage divider and source bias. Irrespective of biasing, it is necessary to always reverse bias the gate source junction of FET for its proper function. Now let's see about the self biasing of FET. In this circuit, only one supply is used here, that is called as VDD. The gate terminal voltage is equal to 0. Therefore, the gate terminal and the source terminal is connected to ground here. Next, consider the voltage drop across the RS. Then, Vs is equal to ID into RS. Now, if we measure a drain voltage with respect to ground, then it is given as Vd is equal to Vdd minus Id into Rd. Here, the Id into Rd is nothing but voltage drop across the drain resistance Rd. Now, the drain to source voltage can be obtained by Vds is equal to Vd minus Vs. By substituting the Vd and Vs equation here, we can get the Vds equation. Then Vgs can be obtained as Vg minus Vs, but in this case we are providing Vg as 0. That means the gate terminal is connected to ground and we are not applying any voltage to that gate terminal. So Vg is equal to 0 here, then Vgs is equal to minus Id into Rs. From this equation we can calculate the drain current, that is equal to minus Vgs divided by Rs. So if negative drain to source voltage is applied to FET terminal, it increases the value of drain current Id. And if plot the graph between Id and Vds, it comes as a straight line and that straight line is called as self-biased line. From this equation we came to know that more the negative gate to source voltage, more amount of drain current flows through the circuit. Now let's see how the connections are given for self-biased circuit of FET. For this first we need 3 resistors, 1 FET transistor, 1 power supply, 2 grounds and 1 ammeter and 1 voltmeter. Then I'm giving the resistance value for Rd as 3K, that is 3 kilo ohms. And then for power supply I'm giving 16 volt. For gate resistance I'm giving 1 mega ohms. And at last for source resistance I'm giving 500 ohms. And that's it. This is circuit for self-biasing of FET. Now we can run the circuit. Here we got the ID value as 2.39 milliampere and for VDS we got 7.62 volt, and that's it. Next let's see about the voltage divider bias of FET. Here gate current Ig is approximately equal to 0, that is no current is flowing through the gate terminal. That means on input side the current is flowing through this resistor R1 and R2, and hence we can say that this voltage Vg is equal to R2 divided by R1 plus R2 into VDD by using the voltage divider rule. With this equation we can find Vg. Now if we apply KVL rule here, then we will get Vgs is equal to Vg minus Id into Rs. Then by Shockley's equation, Id is equal to IDSS into 1 minus VGS divided by VP whole square. By substituting the VGS equation here and solving the quadratic equation, we get ID, and by substituting the ID in VGS we get the value for VGS here. Then VDS is obtained by VDD minus ID into RS plus RD. So in this way we get ID and VDS. Now let's see how the connections are given for the voltage divider bias of FET. For this we need 4 resistors, 1 FET transistor, 1 power supply, 2 grounds, and 1 ammeter and 1 voltmeter to view the output. So now for this power supply I am giving 25 volt, and for RG1 I am giving 3.8 mega ohms, and for RD I am giving 2.5 kilo ohms, and for RS the same as 2.5 kilo ohms, and for RG2 I am giving 1 mega ohms, and that's it. This is a circuit for voltage divider bias for FET. Now let's run the circuit. Here we got the ID as 2.56 milliampere and VDS as 12.2 volt, and this is our Q point, and that's it.